What's up, my name is PRINCE-KAYTV. If you are here for the first time, please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to create a professional thumbnail for your YouTube video. If you're an upcoming content creator, if you're already a content creator in a field and you pay money for people to create a thumbnail, professional thumbnail for you, this is the right time for you to do everything for your own and keep the money for yourself and use the money to buy data bundle for yourself so that you can upload your video so that you get people to watch your video. So this is how we create a thumbnail using a ChatGPT. A lot of people don't know how. A lot of people have ChatGPT, but they don't know how to operate, command ChatGPT to create something amazing and surprising for them. But I'm going to show you how to command ChatGPT to create a professional thumbnail for your video, for your YouTube videos, or for your food, or for anything that ChatGPT can create something amazing for you. Okay, so let's get started. So you go straight to Play Store, you download ChatGPT on your phone or on your App Store or your Play Store. Go to Play Store, download ChatGPT, and just install, enter your email, no stuff. Me, I already have the ChatGPT, so let's get into it. Do everything step by step, practical, so that you can get everything. Okay, guys. So I'm going to show you how to use command ChatGPT to create a meaningful and amazing thumbnail for your video. Okay, first of all, you open ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT, please can you download ChatGPT? You understand? So this ChatGPT, me, I've already opened it. So this is a command I'm going to create. Okay, ChatGPT, okay, create a thumbnail. Understand? A thumbnail with very attractive colors and beautiful and neat and amazing colors with this. So you bring there are two columns with this. How to make simple thumbnail by using ChatGPT. And then after that, you bring your thumbnail like that. You see that this is a command, and you can add it. Make it very beautiful so that it can attract more people to watch my videos. Then if you want to add image, you have to add image of yourself. Don't add anybody. You can decide to post it like that, but for me, I just want to add my image to it. So you go here, go to the image sign here, you upload your image. You have image on it, so just go. So I just want to use this one. So there's it. You see? Okay, then again, and add ChatGPT. And guys, watch you. I don't know how you go right on, but the way I'm just
command, add ChatGPT, add ChatGPT logo to the thumbnail. Understand? Very nice. Very nice one. I have to bring this because we are commanding. Then after that, just listen. So we wait. You understand? So we wait. So ChatGPT is so now ChatGPT is processing. You understand? So you have to wait because a lot of people are using ChatGPT to create an thumbnail or to create an image for them. Some people are using it for business. So if you are watching this video, if you don't want to use for creating content or something like that, you can even start using it to start a business. You understand? So let's wait so that ChatGPT will create this meaningful image for us. So I think the image is done. Say make a time. Make take many may take a moment. So let's wait. Guys, let's wait and be patient. The image will drop very soon. Okay, so this is how we do it. When you go through a lot of my videos, I don't need any stress. I don't pay money for anybody to go and create some video or something for me or create a thumbnail so that I'll get me. I don't have money. If you're an upcoming content creator, if you're a beginner, you don't have money to start. All this thing, you have a phone, you have a ChatGPT, just give a command, just force ChatGPT. You will create something meaningful for you. It doesn't matter how your English is bad or something like that. Just what is your mind? Just command, just give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will operate that image. You understand? This is not English. What I wrote is not any English. Just what is my mind, what I feel, what I like. That's I command ChatGPT to produce that image meaningful for me. So we wait until our image is ready. So the video is already there. I made a video already there. ChatGPT cannot produce video for you unless you buy the pro. Understand? Unless you pay and get it, you get the pro one. The pro one I have to pay it, but I mean I don't have money. And remember, if you create image like let's say 30 on here, ChatGPT will say you say wait for 23 hours unless you create another image. So you have a limit. But if you don't want it like that, you just create another what do you call it? Another email account, then you open ChatGPT account. So we are waiting because a lot of people are using ChatGPT to create image for them. So let's wait for some time so that the image will come out. You see, you see, very nice. So how to download it? So just give me the channel. It's very, very important. So this is how ChatGPT give it to me. Okay, but YouTube, if I uploaded this one, YouTube, so I want, so you can come here, edit. I want to edit. I want the size. So please 16 9. Understand? So you have to give the ratio. So that's it. Just simple as that. Well, this one is very simple. Is how to make simple thumbnail by using Chat GPT. Understand? Okay. So we are waiting. You understand? So ChatGPT is very simple that you can use it to create your thumbnail on your video and those stuff. So let's wait for it to generate. Okay, we are waiting. We are just waiting. Okay, we are waiting for ChatGPT to produce our meaningful image. It's as simple as ABCD. So subscribe to this channel. I think this is very helpful for you guys. Can you subscribe? And I said, so we are waiting for ChatGPT so that you can produce our first image there. Our first image there. If I upload this, hmm, if I upload this, you see YouTube thumbnails like 16:9 ratio. That one, but this one is very long. If I upload, all my face will come. Hmm. All my face will come. So we are waiting. Just simple as that. Simple, very nice image. Very nice image. So we are waiting for this one to come out so that we are done. So we are done for today. You understand? So our next video, I'm going to show you how to use AI tools to create a meaningful song. A lot of people on audio mark, they are ghost musician. When they say ghost musician, they use AI to create music over there. The music is very popular, but you don't know the artist that is singing. So I'm going to show you all those things step by step, so that you can create your own music without a copyright issues. So we are waiting for ChatGPT to produce this meaningful image. We command ChatGPT. Understand? Okay, we got it. Okay, we got this one. I think this one also the best. Okay, you see, very nice and interesting. That's it, simple. ChatGPT, I've done my work. So guys, this is how you just download it. Just simple as that. So